Asphalt pavements age. As soon as we run asphalt through an asphalt mixing plant and lay it on the road, it's exposed to oxygen, it's exposed to UV. Now, of course, that's highest at the surface level.
Pavement aging starts right when the road is constructed. That can't be undone, but it can be offset by using products such as Rejuvenators.
And this is a category of products that's existed for many, many years, but it's one that's coming up more and more that agencies find efficacious for their budgets, for the public-facing part of their businesses, and frankly, just to help them stretch a little more dollar out of their budgets. AMIGUARD is our suite of asphalt emulsion products. The RPE stands for rapid penetrating emulsion. So a penetrating emulsion that's chemically designed to permeate down into the asphalt mixture, get off the surface and into the mixture. We took our expertise that we had with our rapid penetrating emulsion and we applied it to the topical rejuvenator category.
AMIGUARD RPE-R is a bio-oil based emulsion that's designed to penetrate the surface. That rejuvenating oil diffuses into the existing asphalt. The surface will begin to break on that material as the residue diffuses into the existing asphalt and fills interconnected air voids. So RPE and RPE-R are designed with a chemical package that helps reduce the surface tension of the emulsion, whereas traditional fog seals don't have that reduced surface tension and may sit on top. So as that material diffuses into the existing asphalt, that helps to soften the asphalt, add flexibility, and reduce permeability of the pavement. That helps to offset the rheological age of the pavement, further extending the overall life of that pavement. As the material dries, it's a semi-transparent color, which allows the traffic markings to show through it. Because the material penetrates the pavement, it dries quicker and we can return traffic faster. RPE-R is also engineered to eliminate the process or the need for sanding after application.
RPE-R is designed to rheologically change that asphalt. You're addressing asphalt aging. So what we're doing is we're applying a treatment that's effectively a chemical type of treatment that's designed to take that gradient and move it back. We have proven ability to take topical type of treatments and get them to get underneath the surface. We can change individual molecules and properties to treat asphalt directly. Not only do we offer that sustainability, we can engineer those properties for asphalt pavements. So we really set ourselves up to innovate in that way.
Early life treatments like RPE-R can help road managers extend their pavement life, reduce life cycle costs, and preserve their infrastructure.